Take a look at our app. Impressive, right? But we're already designing 2.0 and using something new called Figma. It's a design tool with everything we need to design interfaces more effectively. And even better, it lives in the cloud. That way, the whole team can work on the project together at the same time and get the latest versions no matter where they are.
I'm not even in the office today.
I was thinking something like so.
Let's make sure we stick with our brand's palette.
Right.
I'll just tighten it up a titch. There we go. How does it look on the bigger screen size?
Gorgeous.
I'm just gonna drop in here for a sec and get some measurements so I can start coding this up.
See, we don't need email or Sketch, Relay, Zeppelin, Red Pinner, or whatever else. Designing, commenting, sharing, storing, everything is all right here. Figma. Impressive, right?
We know that good design is more than how something looks. It makes people feel. It makes people act. It makes a good product great. But for all the good design out there, the design process is often a mess. Files are passed back and forth, endless final versions are saved, and nobody ever has the right fonts. At Figma, we thought the design process needed a redesign, and so that's what we did. Figma is a platform where teams design together. It unites everyone in your creative process. Bring that idea to life in a design, wireframe, or prototype. Figma does it all in the cloud. Let your writer do their word magic right in your design file. Figma lets you both get on the same page, literally. Partner with your developer early and often, even if they live on the other side of the globe. Figma makes handoff more like a handshake. Invite your stakeholders to give feedback and note comments right in your work. Figma helps you get what you need and helps others get what they need. And all of this you can do together in real time, without stepping on each other's toes. It's time to design on your terms with Figma.
Figma is a platform that helps you go from idea in your head to digital product. And we try to do all the steps of that product design and development process, whether it be whiteboarding and brainstorming, slides, and making it so you can create presentations. Figma Design, our flagship product, allows you to design visual screens. We have ways for people to go from design to development, and ultimately, in the case of websites, ship real websites out there and publish them. And many other areas as well. We're also focused on now shipping marketing assets at scale. And I think the product that we're even most focused on right now is Figma Make, which allows you to go from prompt to working app all in Figma with your Figma designs as part of that prompt.